Welcome to Katerina Finds and Reviews. Today I want to show you the apron that is the great one for doing any kind of cuffs. Let's see.
Adjustable and extra long neck and belly bands allow any adjustments and can be easily altered to fit most sizes. This apron is made of 100% canvas cotton and linen, soft in nature, durable, thicker than conventional polyester fibers. It covers from chest to knee, providing great coverage and protection from all sorts of stains. Can be worn by a man and a woman. Large belly pockets of the apron enables easy storage of necessities to allow you have your hands free. This apron can be used for professional and commercial use in daily life. It's perfect for so many activities and hobbies, like I use it for my paintings.